Okay, so the simplest way, first up, is you just drill right through it in hammer drill mode. So set your drill to hammer drill mode. And then this is especially handy if you're fastening the timber to concrete, like if you're doing some framing and you're attaching that to a foundation. Nice and easy, you just drill. And then you can just apply whatever fastener you're using for the timber. So in this case, little concrete screw. And that's a 2-cutter drill bit from, how do you say this, Ezarc. I have a feeling 2 cutters cut better through timber, but I've never actually tried otherwise, so let's try a 4-cutter as well. And if you're not familiar with SDS, that is what the chuck looks like. You don't tighten it, you just click it in, and then it can bounce back and forth as the hammer inside the tool hits the drill bit. So the first one I tried, the 2-cutter, it definitely seemed faster than the 4-cutter.